because government used to manage everything. Yes or no? Government used to manage everything, whether it is an economic problem, whether it is a social problem, whether it is for public welfare. For everything, who is managing? Government is managing. So yes, it is true that government is like a managing committee. So what we will write? True. Okay. Now next, the government officials distribute food items through ration shop. Now, yes, ration shop it is there, but the government officials, the government officers are not supposed to go there and distribute it. There are workers for that particular work. So this statement will be false. Government officials will provide it, but they will not distribute it. Okay? So what? False. The government official did not distribute. Okay. Now, the government is an essential body of every state, whether it is every state, a small village, or we can say district, or a town, or whatever. Government is necessary. Yes. Okay. So, government is necessary for every state. Okay. So, that is what? True. Okay, now next, the executive committee of the government frame laws. Now I told you who used to frame laws. Legislative body used to frame laws. So here what will come? False. Now next, the constitution has made India a union state. Yes, in our constitution, okay, India is an union state now. Okay, so that is true. Now, we have presidential government in India. No, presidential government in India. No, we don't have presidential government in India. We have federal government in India, which works at two levels, that is state government and central government. So, what kind of government we are having? Federal government. So, this presidential government is what? False. Okay. Now the orbit of the earth is circular. The orbit of the earth is circular. Now the orbit of the earth is not in a circular motion. Okay. It's not circular. Okay. So that is what? False. Now the distance between the earth and the sun remains same throughout the year. Now throughout the year the distance between the sun and earth is not same. Okay, the distance is not same. It used to change. Okay, so this statement is false. Now the moon revolves around the earth. Now the moon revolves around the earth, yes or no? I told you that the earth revolves around the sun and rotates on its own axis. In the same way, the moon rotates and revolves around our earth on its own axis also and revolve also. Okay, on orbit also. Got it? So this statement is what? True. That the moon revolves around our earth. Okay. Now next, Gram Panchayat provides street light in villages. Yes, it is the duty of Gram Panchayat. Okay, to provide street light, road facilities in village. Okay, so this statement is true. District Panchayat appoints teachers in primary schools. Now, yes, it is the duty of district panchayat to provide government teachers for government schools. Okay, so this statement is also true. That district panchayat appoints teachers in primary schools. Now straight sun rays fall to the north and south of equator. Now we have learned about Tropic of Capricorn and Tropic of Cancer. Yes or no? So in this statement they have told same thing, that north and south. So in the one side there is Tropic of Capricorn and on the other side there is Tropic of Cancer, right? So the sun rays fall straight on the north and south of equator. So that is what? True. Now Devagupta was a king of Malwa. Now Devagupta was a king of Malwa. Yes, he was the king of Malwa and he imprisoned Harshvardhan's sister, that is Rajyashri. So yes, he was king of Malwa. True. Now the great poet Banabhatta had composed Kadambari. He has composed Kadambari. Now I told you that the great poet Banabhatta adorned the court of Harshvardhan. He was from the region of Harshvardhan. He has written many plays and from that one is Kadambari. So that is what? True.